So I bought a bunch of clothes that nobody's gonna see. And I am yet stressed, okay? Stressed. Because my bank account is crying.
Party hard for me when I'm gone. Party hard for me. Party hard for me when I'm gone.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can see me every time I post, because I'm coming at you with all the content I got. But we're gonna go ahead and get into today's video with a try on haul from Prettylittlething. That is my store. They always come through with the code 50% off all the time, for the most part. I think there's only been one time when I've been on Prettylittlething and there hasn't been a sale, but usually sis stays with the sales. So I'm always on Prettylittlething. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it with the outfit that I have on right now. And this is a mesh two-piece set. I thought it was cute on the model. I am not the biggest fan of like really bold like patterns. So this isn't my typical, but I thought it was super cute. I will put the image on my Instagram. I kind of wear these pieces separately. I went ahead and wore this shirt, but I have not worn the whole thing. And by the looks of quarantine, I will not be wearing any of the things that I bought. Yikes. But I think it's super cute. Definitely like one of those outfits you can like move around in. If you have a butt, I don't have one. But like if you move, you might see a little something. You know what I'm saying? If you look real close, tilt your head, squint your eyes, you might have just saw earthquake. All right, cool. But I really like this outfit. I honestly bought this outfit for the sleeves. I was super in love with the sleeves, so I thought this would be super cute. But yeah, I really like this outfit. Can't wait to pair it with some nude heels, get a nice cute nude bag, or maybe my MK bag, my blue MK bag. That'd be kind of hot. But yeah, I think this outfit is super cute and definitely one of those things in your closet that you should have, that you can kind of go throw on to go to the bar with your girls, or you could go to brunch if you're just trying to make a statement. This shirt might have just did what it had to do. Because when I saw it on the model, I was like, okay, this could be cute. I don't really know. And I also thought it was gonna be off the shoulder, but absolutely not. It really can't be. So I'm gonna pull this back up. But I like the mesh vibes that I'm giving off, okay? Now, chest, I don't have anything. But I'm gonna give you body, okay? I'm gonna give you the little body that I do have. And so this shirt, I thought it was super cute. I love the sleeves. I have this thing about mesh right now and sleeves. I don't know what that's about, but I'm here for the wave. And after quarantine is over, give me some black heels with fur on them. Give me a handbag. I'm giving you brunch. I'm giving you girls' night out. I'm giving you everything that you need, basically. That's on what? It's on period. Okay. I have some opinions about this, okay? Because it's not terrible. It's not terrible. But when I buy a corset, I want it to snatch me and pull everything in, right? The top looks fine. This flap at the bottom, gotta go. It has to go. This is gonna be one of those things that might just have to get tucked in, you know what I'm saying? Might just have to be. Because the flap is killing me. It really is. It's killing me. Sorry, my pants are a little hot. The flap is killing me. The color is fine. I like the champagne color. But when I buy a corset, I really want the corset to like pull everything I have in. There's not much to take in, but what I do have to take in, the little gut that I do have, I want it to pull me in. I want it to be suffocating. I want to, that's what I want. And this is not giving me that. Read the description, people. That is something I don't do. And had I read the description, I might have known what material this was, and I probably would have known that there wasn't wire in it.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
I'm a joke. Me. It's fun. Like I said, I'm still gonna wear this. I like the corset. Like I said, I like the color. I don't like corsets that don't really have wire because it's not really doing anything. Like I'm naturally little, so it not having wire kind of just like, what's the purposes? What was the reason?
What was the reason? I had a reason. What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
Do you really see? Do you really see? First things first, this dress, sheer, okay? So, G-string and black, everything black. Because I could see a lot. So, that's for starters. Also, I would try to trick people and let them see that I have boobs. Kind of, sort of. With a push-up bra. Please make it black because it's going to be seen, basically. I think the dress is really, really nice. It really is form-fitting, so I think it's really like a cute dress to go out with your friends or for like a night out on the town. I like midi dresses, and you can't really see it, but it is long. It's literally hitting just under my knee. But I really like that about this dress. There's nothing special about the back, except my booty is back there. But anyway, I really like this dress. I think it's a banger. I do. Don't know where I'm wearing it to. Don't know what's the occasion. With quarantine, you might not see it till 2022. That's neither here nor there. It's a banger. Bye. Who, me? I actually really like this dress. When I saw it on the model, they did theirs off the shoulder. What I found out is that you can also pull it up. So I can also wear this dress to church. It's going to be great. The one thing that I don't really necessarily like about this dress is that like the imprint of your body, like your belly button and certain things you can just see. Like right off first glance you can see it. So even me being this small, I'm still going to suck in all of the pictures because I don't want them to see that imprint. I hate it in a lot of dresses with this same material, and I don't know what material this is. I don't know, but I like that it ties in the front. You can also tie it in the back. I think this is a really, really cute dress. Definitely a spring/summer dress, nude underwear, G-string, whatever is your preference. You can see it just off the basis that this is white. So that is my only tip for this dress. But I think it's really, really cute. I wear everything with gold jewelry, or I want everything with gold jewelry, even though I always have silver necklaces on. That's beside the point, though. I think this is definitely a really, really cute dress that can be paired with a lot of different things. Maybe a cute handbag or like a clutch. The world is yours. Okay, the world is your oyster after this. But definitely, as soon as I can go to brunch again, as soon as I can go to church again, because let's see, as soon as I can go to church again, we out here giving you bougie and sophisticated. Who? What? VIP? Perfect. Let's talk about it, because as you can see, this shirt is going to be see-through the way I'm holding my goods, okay? Love the leather pants. I think they're a great addition to my closet. This shirt, though, if you can't tell by the stress on my face or the not so smooth edges anymore, that this shirt really took it out of me. There's also a makeup stain, and I knew that this was going to happen, so I blame myself. Basically, with this shirt, put the shirt on first, put the makeup on second, or just know when you put it on or take it off, there's going to be a stain on it. bleach is going to be your best friend with this shirt. I do think the shirt is super cute. You can't really tell, but I do like the symmetrical thing that they have going on with this, and the sleeve thing, right? I like that these leggings have pockets. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm very excited about the pockets. I did leave the tag on. Don't mind me. I'm going to take it off when I wear it. But I do think the pockets are a great thing. I like that the leather is shiny, but it's not like plastic bag-ish. There's a little like dullness to the color, so it's kind of like, this is my speed. So I think these are great like leather pants for me, or leather leggings. So I like them. I like the color. Like I said, the shirt, will I be wearing this shirt all the time? Probably not. But I'm excited to wear this outfit. I don't know how I'm wearing this shirt yet, but I'm very excited because I get to finally show my tattoo. I'm also going to give you one word: tape. Please tape this because your boob might just pop out. Might just be a show. So I'm going to stand still when I review this one and not do too much. But I think it's cute, and you know, people do like those body chains. That might be a look. A gold, little gold body chain, gold watch. Listen, it's a look. And I have so many different like styles of pants. Like I have on ripped jeans right now, so I think this could also be cute. Like ripped jeans, or like maybe tucked in with a belt. But also like people who have different like pants, like plaid pants, like in plaid leggings. I didn't like them with the leather leggings. That's my personal opinion. But I feel like somebody could really do it up. Or like just keeping it simple just like this and putting on like a different color like booty, or a mule, a really cute mule. That would be cute. That'd be fire. But thanks so much for tuning into my Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I will go ahead and put all of the links to everything I bought down in the description box. So if there's anything you like, go ahead and get that. Go ahead and cop that. You might not be able to go out, but you're going to look cute in the house. And that's okay. That is okay. Be cute for quarantine. If you like it, I love it. Had some slight technical difficulties, but we back. But I just want to say thanks for watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. There's more content on the way. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you later, guys.